Bienvenue mes amis and welcome to another Adventure in French. Today's adventure is the 7.2 vocabulary from our favorite textbook, Bien dit, Level 1. So let's get started. The first word in this vocabulary is l'argent. L'argent. And you see I put an M there so you'd know it was masculine because you can't tell from the article. L'argent. And what does that mean? It means silver or money. All right. Very handy things to have. L'argent. Number 2. Un bracelet. Un bracelet. Un bracelet. Which means bracelet. All right. There's a true cognate for you. Next up, number 3. Un cerf-volant. Un cerf-volant. Un cerf-volant. Which is a fancy way of saying a kite. Number 4. Un collier. Un collier. Un collier. And that is a necklace. Have you figured out what our words all have in common? Maybe not so much by now, but let me just go ahead and tell you. These are all things that you can find in a department store. All right? Number 5. Un diamant. Un diamant. Un diamant. And that means diamond. Number 6. Un gant. Un gant. Un gant. And what is a gant? It is a glove. Number 7. Un grand magasin. Un grand magasin. Un grand magasin. Now don't get sucked into thinking that magasin means magazine, because this isn't a big magazine. Magasin is the word for store, so this is a big store, which translates as a department store. Number 8. Un maillot de bain. Un maillot de bain. Un maillot de bain. Which is a swimsuit. Number 9. L'or. 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 Again, I put the M there so that you would know it is masculine because you can't tell from the article. And the word or is the word for gold. Now you know how to say silver and gold. Number 10. Un parapluie. Un parapluie. Un parapluie. And that's the word for umbrella. You saw the word pluie at the end, which is the word for rain. All right. Number 11. Un portefeuille. Un portefeuille. Un portefeuille. And you'll discover that means wallet. This is typically a man's wallet. All right. Next up. Un porte-monnaie. Un porte-monnaie. Un porte-monnaie. Now the word monnaie in French, it looks like money. It actually means change, like coins. All right, so un porte-monnaie is a coin purse. And it's also sometimes the word that's used to mean a lady's wallet. All right, number 13. Un rayon bijouterie. Un rayon bijouterie. Un rayon bijouterie. All right, now this is a mouthful. First of all, I'll tell you that un rayon means a department. So in a department store, naturally, you would find a department. Bijouterie, the word bijou by itself means jewel. Bijouterie, jewelry. So this would be your jewelry department. Number 14. Un rayon maroquinerie. Un rayon maroquinerie. Un rayon maroquinerie, which is the leather goods department. You don't see these too often in the United States, but you will in France. And just notice we learned in the last vocabulary the word for leather was cuir, but you don't see that doesn't show up anywhere in this word. So you just got to memorize this one. Maroquinerie refers to leather. All right, number 15. Un rayon sport et plein air. Un rayon sport et plein air. Un rayon sport et plein air. Literally, a department of sport and full air or outdoors. So this would be your sporting goods department. 16. Un sac à main. Un sac à main. Un sac à main. Now we saw something similar to this many vocabularies ago with sac à dos, which was a backpack. Un sac à main. Main means hand, so this is a purse or a handbag. All right, 17. Un skate. Un skate. Un skate. Which, be careful, means a skateboard. All right. Number 18. Une bague. Une bague. Une bague. Which, very simply put, is a ring, like you wear on your finger. All right. And we're halfway through now with number 19, which is une boucle d'oreille. Une boucle d'oreille. Une boucle d'oreille, which is literally a buckle of ear, or what's an ear buckle? Why, that's an earring. Un boucle d'oreille. Number 20. Une canne à pêche. Une canne à pêche. Une canne à pêche. Doesn't mean can of peaches. A canne is a cane. This is actually, une canne à pêche is a fishing rod. All right. Next, number 21. Une ceinture. Une ceinture. Une ceinture, which is how you say belt. 22. Une chaîne. Une chaîne. Une chaîne. And you might have guessed, it's a close cognate. It means chain. Number 23. Une glacière. Une glacière. Une glacière. And this looks very similar to glace, which we know means ice cream or ice. And une glacière is a cooler. All right, like you would keep drinks or something in. All right, 25. Une tente. Une tente. Une tente, which is close cognate, means tent. 26. Les jumelles. Les jumelles. Les jumelles. Put an F here to tell you it's feminine because you can't tell from the lay. Jumelle, it's also the word for twins, the twins. So think about that. And it refers to something you use with your eyes. Les jumelles, that would be binoculars. All right? The twin glasses there, get it? All right. Number 27. Une montre. Une montre. Une montre. And une montre is a watch. 28. Une planche de surf. Une planche de surf. Une planche de surf, which is the French way of saying surfboard. Well, that should say board, not bode. Excuse me. I'll go back and fix that. Surfboard. All right. Number 29. Bon marché. Bon marché. Bon marché. All right, we've made it into our adjective list now. Bon marché is how you say cheap, cheap or inexpensive. Number 30. Another adjective, cher, cher. Notice the masculine, cher, C-H-E-R, and the feminine, cher, C-H-E, accent grave, R-E, are both pronounced the same. All right, you can only tell the difference from the spelling. And this is an adjective that means expensive. And it's also the French word for dear, D-E-A-R, like you would start a letter with. All right? 31. Soldé en solde. Soldé en solde. All right? These are two adjectives. They're synonyms. And they mean on sale. All right? 32. Décider. 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 And this is a close cognate. It's a verb, a regular ER verb that means to decide. 33. Coûter. 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 All right, that's a regular ER verb also that means to cost. To cost. Number 34. Beaucoup de. Beaucoup de. Beaucoup de. Which means a lot, and with the de, a lot of. Beaucoup d'argent would mean a lot of money. Okay? Number 35. Un peu de. Un peu de. Un peu de. And that is how we say a little of. So a little money would be un peu d'argent. All right. The next one, 36. Mille. 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 Notice the double L here is pronounced like an L. And mille means 1,000. But now notice when you say 1,000, you don't ever say a mille. You just say mille. And that means 1,000. All right. Next up, 37. Un million. Un million. Un million. And it's just what it looks like. It means 1 million. And then last up, number 38 for our vocabulary is un milliard. Un milliard. Un milliard. If mille was 1,000 and million was a million, un milliard, you're right. It means 1 billion. And I give you a billion thanks for sitting down with me to go over this vocabulary. I hope it's been helpful. I'll see you again. À bientôt, mes amis.